Hey, what's up, good people? It is day 10. I'm in it to win it. And, yeah, as you expected, it's a good Saturday. But my back feel like it's hit. Today I brought that good book out with me. And so I put it right here on the dashboard, you know. I can always have it with me at all times. I love having crosses. I love having anything that resembles God around me at all times of the day, because you never know when you just might need to be reminded of your strength and your faith in God. Without him, man, I wouldn't be where I am today. To each his own, you know what I'm saying? Just to have your higher power, something much bigger than yourself, because you're only human. You can't control everything, but you gotta have some type of higher power to believe in for those days that you know that you can't handle certain situations and it's out of your power. You're gonna be stressed because you can't deal with it. So what I do is I just give it to God. That's it, my boy. So yeah, without further ado, let's get back to this movement. Yeah, big blessings, no stressing, just real life lesson. Let's get it. Man, look at these apple trees right here. I love to come out here on the job and I see one of my customers have real live fruit trees and stuff like that, gardens and stuff. Remind me back in the day when I was in the country. Country boy. Yeah, guys, I'm out here with my buddy, Mr. Potbelly. He's saying hello to you guys. He's so beautiful, isn't he? He's so adorable. This is an all-day thing, everyday thing. Surrounded by filthy animals. No, just kidding. I love animals. Yep. What's up? I'm back, and I just had to show y'all this. I don't know about y'all, but do y'all believe in what? Let me see. Ladybugs being good luck? Because they are everywhere. I mean, like, they're all over me. It's crazy. I mean, I believe in good luck, but I also believe in blessings. Big blessings. No stressing. Just real life lessons. And I've been swarmed by ladybugs. I mean, absolutely swarming by ladybugs. It's crazy. All over my van, all over my arms and stuff. Yeah, it's crazy. I just thought I mentioned that. But crazy. You probably can see them flying. They everywhere. Ladybugs galore. All over my legs and stuff. But yeah, I thought that was pretty cool. I thought I'd show y'all that right quick. But they are all over my truck. My truck dirty, but my car ain't. What it do? We back at the crib. Daddy duties are over with. And we're gonna go right into the 100 push-up challenge. Without further ado, let's get to it, baby. What a day, what a day.
Oh my God.